Hello dear students, we will continue chapter 4, module number 4. In this chapter, in this module, we will read about the comparison of Jainism and Buddhism. Let's first read the similarities and dissimilarities between the Jainism and Buddhism. First of all, we will read some similarities between Jainism and Buddhism. Similarities between Jainism and Buddhism. First, we will read the similarities between both of them. What the similarities were there? Dear students, the very first similarities is both Lord Mahavir and Lord Buddha, the founder of Jainism and Buddhism, belong to the Kshatriya families, or I'd like to say both of them belongs to royal families. Both of them belongs from the royal family. This is the very first similarities. Both of them were the princes of royal family. Second similarities between them, both Jainism and Buddhism were reform movement. Reform movements Sudhar Andolan the, both protesting against the Vedas, the authority of the Vedas, or I'd like to say against the Buddhism, the voices of the Buddhism, the voices that was a discrimination among the peoples, the four Varna system, the Jati Partha, both they were against the Hinduism. Both of them. Third, both the movements denied the Vedas authority. So I would like to say against the authority of Vedas. Both Jainism as well as Buddhism, both were against. Then the next were there, Jainism and Buddhism, that both the movements believe casteless society. Both the movements, they want there will be no caste system. Then both the movements preach their religion in the common language of the people. They discard Sanskrit. Mean to say, both the Jainism and Buddhism, they explain their theory in simple and easy languages. Both of them, they didn't preach in Sanskrit. They did not follow the Sanskrit. They had given their messages on the local language that were used by the people. Then next is both the movements. They were against superstitions, yajnas and the sacrifices. Against yajna, sacrifices and superstitions. Both were against the superstitions, both were against the yajnas, both were against the sacrifices that was very much prevalent at that time. Then both movements, the motto of both the movements was attain nirvana, the ultimate goal of life. Both of them, their main purpose was to attain nirvana. Nirvana mean to say mukti. दोनों ही धर्मों का जो मुख्य उद्देश्य था मुक्ति प्राप्त करना, निर्वाण प्राप्त करना. Then both the moment they believe in ahimsa. Jainism as well as Buddhism, their main motive was there about the ahimsa, not to do violence. Then both the moments believed in the transmigration of the soul and karma theory. Both the moment they believe in karma theory. Jainism as well as Buddhism, they both believe in the karma theory. And then the next is both the moments they believed in the universal brotherhood and mankind. Brotherhood and mankind. The motive of both the religions, that is brotherhood and mankind, mean to say the peoples, they live with harmonious to other, सबसे मिलजुल के रहें, एक दूसरे से प्रेम से रहें, किसी प्रकार का विवाद ना हो, लड़ाई झगड़े न हो. Both believe in that theory, and both the moments lead great stress upon leading a pure and simple life. Both the moments, they want the people, they should live a very simple life. So these are the similarities between Jainism and Buddhism. Again I am repeating, Lord Mahavir as well as Mahatma Buddha, both belong to royal family. Second thing that I had mentioned here, against the voices of Hinduism, where Lord or many goddesses, they were worshipped, mean to say they were against the Murti Puja. Then third one, both Jainism as well as Buddhism, they were against the authority of the Vedas. Whatever is mentioned in the Vedas, they did not believe. All the theory, whatever is mentioned in the Vedas. Then casteless society, a society that was split into the 4 varnas and later on they were split into the caste, it denied. It denied because the Sudra community, it was exploited by Brahmins, by Kshatriyas, by Vaishyas. This is the reason it did not believe in the theory of casteism. Then they had given their sermon, their preach in simple language which the people they could understand very easily. Then they did not believe in the theory of yajnas, sacrifices, superstitions. Both the moments they want that how the man should get nirvana, mukti, कैसे किसी दोनों धर्मों का उद्देश्य था, कैसे अंत में लोगों को मुक्ति मिलेगी. Then ahimsa both the movement they want ahimsa, non-violence was the main theory of both the movements. Then the karma theory, that whatever we will get, that's based on our karma, that we have to do good karma. Then brotherhood and the mankind, that was the next motto of both the religions. So these are the some similarities between both the religions. That is the similarities. Now let me continue. It is dissimilarities. Now let me continue the dissimilarities between Jainism and Buddhism. What were the major dissimilarities was there between both the religions? Dissimilarities between both of the religions. Let me continue one by one. What were the major dissimilarities between both the religions? Let me tell you. Jainism believed in hard penance. Jainism believed in hard penance, mean to say कठिन तपस्या पे बिलीव करता था Jainism. On the other hand, we will see Buddhism recommended the middle path. On the other hand, I would say it believed in the middle path. It did not believe that a monk or the people, those who follow Buddhism, that they have to do lot of tapashyas. This is the very first dissimilarities between them. Then second thing is Jainism believed in the existence of soul in inanimated object, while Buddhism did not give the extent. Mean to say, what Jainism see, each and every object like stone, trees, or that's human being, tree, animal, insect, all have life. It did not believe to harm them. But on the other hand, we will see that Buddhism was silence in this side. So it is existence of soul in inanimate object. I have mentioned here, इन्होंने कहा है हर चीज में जीवन है, and that side, it is a Buddhism, they keep mum on that theory. Then in Jainism, Nirvana can be attained by the three Ratna. Jainism, it believes in the three Ratna theory. On the other hand, here these peoples, the Buddhists, they believe in eightfold. Eightfold mark, eightfold path. Jainism believes in three Ratna, तीन रत्न पे believe करते हैं. On the other hand, we will see it believed in the eightfold theory. जो eightfold theory है, which I have told you people in my previous module. Then Jainism denies the existence of the God. It does not believe no God theory. No existence of God. On the other hand, the Mum, they speak nothing, they don't have their ideas, it was quite silent on that theory. It does not give any views related to that. It is silent on that theory. On the other hand, Jainism said there is no God. Then, according to Jainism, as per the theory of Jainism, household can't attain nirvana. According to Buddhism, it is possible. But say, household peoples, we don't get nirvana. But it says these people, they couldn't get the nirvana. But if we will see Buddhism, they say yes, a household peoples also can get nirvana. This is the difference. Then Jainism is much more ancient. This religion is ancient. It is much more ancient. We had already studied that before Mahavir, there were 24 Tirthankar, but here it is started by Mahatma Buddha. Mahatma Buddha, it is not so old. It was very ancient. Then Jainism is divided into Digambar and Shwetambar section, while Buddhism is divided into Hinayan and Mahayana. Then three jewels of Jainism are right path. That three ratna. What I would like to say, the three jewels of Jainism are right path, right knowledge, right conduct. On the other hand, we will see Buddhism believed in the eightfold theory, the Dhamma of Buddha. Then Jainism never spread beyond the frontier of India. It is only spread only in India. But that is beyond India subcontinent. This religion, Buddhism, spread beyond India continent. You people are aware, it is Sri Lanka, it is Japan, it is China, Indonesia, and many more countries, they follow the Buddhism. So these are the major difference between the Jainism and Buddhism. I have told you people the similarities of Jainism, and I have told the similarities and dissimilarities of Jainism and Buddhism. So in this module number 4, it is only this. Okay.